Hi, Boyd here at Carson Trailers, showing you today our new product that we're using that's a stake pocket D-ring, which is kind of nice. A lot of times we use straps that have to go through the stake pocket. Carson uses 4-inch C-channel. Some manufacturers will actually use what they call a stake pocket. It's a little bit different size. Nice thing about this is that one size fits all. So basically what happens, you slide this slider 360 in, put in the pin, now you don't have to worry about the ratchet strap underneath wearing on the edge of the metal. You actually have a D-ring. You can put that anywhere on the trailer. It comes in very nice. This is another product they have which does the exact same thing. It's also a 360-degree swivel, and it's a ratchet strap with a 2-inch sling strap. And it does the same exact thing. Two great products, great inventions. Thank you very much.